Welcome to the National Turtles.
I am still not happy because black guy over here talking about he fuck my wife and talking about that I am a virgin and all this shit. I will whoop his ass.
I will like to see you do it to me because last night I fuck your wife. I fuck that bitch and made her scream my name. She told me that I had the best dick of all times.
I like to smoke weed all the time when I be on TV show like this one or live on a TV smoke roll and smoke on.
IHLVNOXUCKIDEAWHATIS going ONWHEREISLOIKETOSAYMNOT coming VHKONTHISLOWERITONTCAREHOW Hakim Gumane THEYPYMEIWILL hook THEYSSLONYOURTO.
I should just stay out of this and don't say nothing at all because you all know that you all are virgins and can't get a wife in 45 years.
Okay, now you have crossed the line again. I am the one who is fucking to women at the same damn time on couch on the bar the same damn time fucking the women. Pussy is sweet.
Just shut the fuck. I hate all of you ugly looking bastard. Don't even think about it ever, bitch.
Who are you talking to? That's what I want to know.
I am TOAGES smoke TODAYINEDTOGETN guys Thank you for watching OURSHOWTODAYPQR